In the world of business, proposals are an essential part of the process. A business proposal is a document that outlines a proposed project or service that a company offers to potential clients or partners. A well-written proposal can be the key to winning a new contract, securing funding, or launching a new product. In this video we will explore what a business proposal is, its components, and how to write an effective one. What is a business proposal? A business proposal is a formal document that outlines a proposed project, service, or product that a company offers to potential clients or partners. It is a written communication that presents a solution to a specific problem or need that a client has identified. The proposal should be clear, concise, and tailored to the needs of the client. A business proposal can be solicited or unsolicited. A solicited proposal is a response to a specific request for proposal, RFP, from a client or government agency. An unsolicited proposal is a proposal that a company submits without a specific request for proposal. In both cases, the proposal should be tailored to the specific needs and requirements of the client. Components of a business proposal. A business proposal typically consists of several components, including cover letter. The cover letter should be a brief introduction to the proposal, explaining the purpose of the proposal and the benefits of the proposed project, service, or product. Title page. The title page should include the name of the project, the company's name, and the date of the proposal. Table of contents. The table of contents should list the main sections of the proposal, including the executive summary, the project overview, the budget, and the timeline. Executive summary. The executive summary should be a brief summary of the proposal, highlighting the key benefits and outcomes of the proposed project, service, or product. It should be clear and concise, and it should persuade the reader to continue reading the proposal. Project overview. The project overview should provide a detailed description of the proposed project, service, or product. It should include information on the problem the project is addressing, the proposed solution, and the benefits of the solution. Objectives. The objectives section should clearly state the goals and objectives of the project, service, or product. It should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Methodology. The methodology section should describe the approach that will be used to achieve the objectives of the project. It should explain the steps that will be taken, the resources that will be required, and the timeline for completion. Budget. The budget section should provide a detailed breakdown of the costs of the project, including labor, materials, equipment, and other expenses. It should also include a summary of the expected revenue from the project. Timeline. The timeline section should provide a detailed schedule for the project, including key milestones and deadlines. It should be realistic and achievable. Conclusion. The conclusion should summarize the main points of the proposal and emphasize the benefits of the proposed project, service, or product. It should also include a call to action, encouraging the client to take the next steps. How to write an effective business proposal. Writing an effective business proposal requires careful planning, research, and attention to detail. Here are some steps to follow. Understand the client's needs. Before writing a proposal, it is important to understand the client's needs and requirements. This can be done through research, interviews, and meetings with the client. The proposal should be tailored to the client's specific needs and should address the problem or need that the client has identified. Define the scope of the project. The scope of the project should be clearly defined in the proposal. This includes the specific goals and objectives of the project, as well as the expected outcomes. The scope should be realistic and achievable, and should be based on a thorough understanding of the client's needs. Conduct research. Research is a key component of any business proposal. This includes researching the client's industry, competitors, and market trends. It also includes researching the costs and resources required for the project. Develop a methodology. The methodology section of the proposal should describe the approach that will be used to achieve the objectives of the project. This includes the steps that will be taken, the resources that will be required, and the timeline for completion. Create a budget. The budget section of the proposal should provide a detailed breakdown of the costs of the project, including labor, materials, equipment, and other expenses. It should also include a summary of the expected revenue from the project. Write the proposal. The proposal should be written in a clear and concise manner, using language that is easy to understand. It should be well organized and should follow a logical flow. The proposal should be tailored to the needs and requirements of the client. Edit and revise. Once the proposal is written, it should be edited and revised to ensure that it is error-free and meets the client's requirements. This includes checking for grammar and spelling errors, as well as ensuring that the proposal is easy to read and understand. Submit the proposal. Once the proposal is complete, it should be submitted to the client. This can be done through email, mail, or in-person delivery. It is important to follow up with the client to ensure that they have received the proposal and to answer any questions they may have. A business proposal is a formal document that outlines a proposed project, service, or product that a company offers to potential clients or partners. It is a key component of the business process and can be the key to winning new contracts, securing funding, or launching new products. Writing an effective business proposal requires careful planning, research, and attention to detail. By following these steps, you can create a winning proposal that meets the needs and requirements of your clients.